we wanted to do something because they felt very lost, very forgotten, very isolated, and they had a very difficult Christmas ahead of them. So we put a call out to the community, and the community responded in the most amazing way. And yesterday we began delivering out approximately 3,000 gifts, about 6,000 cards made by local school children, and they've gone to about 47 care homes within the Royal Borough of Kingston. But without people like Tony and local businesses and just the people of Kingston, none of it would have been possible.
The idea was to raise £10,000 so everybody could get some kind of gift, present, hampers, vouchers, cars and so on. They thought they wouldn't get anywhere near it, so I decided to give them a hand. So I did a raffle, which raised just over £1,000. They got it noticed, but they've done loads of work themselves, so they've actually reached their target. Mayor's very kindly offered to put these tickets for me as well.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And the first ticket is number 225. Number 2 is orange, pinky orange, and it's number 220, and that's Marcus. And the last one is orange, and it's number 100, and that's Mr. Good. Well, he has done good. I think this is just wonderful that Tony has done such a huge amount for Kingston. He's so community minded. His stall is just the centre of so many good things happening. And